Everyone, so this is the summary of the poem Aren't You Stories by Langston Hughes. So these are the important points. This poem is about a lady Aren't You who is modeled upon the grandmother of Langston Hughes, who was Mary Langston. This lady is telling the stories to a brown-faced child whom she cuddles and brings close to her chest. This poem reflects poets' love for heritage, culture, folk tales, and tradition of black people. In the absence of formal education, they relied upon oral medium to pass on their history, culture, and folk tales. So this is the text of the poem. Aunt Shoes had head full of stories. Anshu has a whole heart full of stories. Summer nights on the front porch, Anshu cuddles a brown-faced child to her bosom and tells him stories. So when the poem opens, poet says that Anshu knows so many stories about the pain and suffering of black people working as slaves under white owners. Her head and heart both are full of stories which are based upon real life experiences of black people. Anshu sits on the front porch and tells stories to her grandchild whom she hugs affectionately. Black slaves walking in the hot sun, black slaves walking in the dewy night, and black slaves singing sorrow songs on the banks of a mighty river, mingle themselves softly in the flow of old Aunt Shu's voice, mingle themselves softly in the dark shadows that cross and recross Aunt Shu's stories. So, in these lines, poet says that the stories which Aunt Shu is telling to this child are real life stories of the hardships faced by black people working day and night without getting any rest. So, these slaves work under hot sun and in misty night as well. So they sing sorrowful songs about their pathetic situation near the banks of the river, but their voices get intermingled with the sound of the water, and Anshu's stories also get intermingled with the surroundings. So here poet says that the voices of black people are crushed by the rest of the powerful voices and sounds. And the dark faced child listening knows that Anshu's stories are real stories. He knows that Anshu never got her stories out of any book at all, but that they came right out of her own life. The dark faced child is quiet of a summer night listening to Anshu's stories. So here, dark shadows symbolize the dark reality of black people's struggles. So in these lines, poet says that the child knows that Anshu's stories are real and are about the pain and trauma of black people. So this child knows that Anshu hasn't read any book to tell him stories, but these stories are the true account of the real life experiences and memories of the oppression of black people. So this child is listening all the stories quietly from his grandmother on a summer night. And here the poem ends.